What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to integrate ChatGPT in your website. So here I have the OpenAI website, so you have to go first to the OpenAI website, that's where ChatGPT is, and you want to go ahead and log in with your account or click on get started to create a new account. So I'll go ahead and log in here. And since I've already typed in my username and password earlier, it'll automatically open this page. So ChatGPT, DALL-E or API. So you want to go to API here in order to link or have ChatGPT services in your website. You'll need to get the ChatGPT API and paste it into your website. So the API is like a bridge that connects your website to the ChatGPT. So to get it, you'll need to click on your name here at the top right, and then click on View API Keys. And from here, you want to create a new secret key. So let's name it anything, or you can just skip this step and click on Create New Key. And that's pretty much it. You'll need to copy this key, or click here on the green button here to copy it, or click Ctrl+C to copy it. And then you want to paste this API into your website in order to get the ChatGPT capabilities built into your website.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.